So in today's video, we are going to be looking at how to find your style and aesthetics. So in previous video, we have discussed about how to look presentable every day. So one of the aspects of looking presentable is identifying your style, your aesthetics. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first and the foremost thing for you to find your style in aesthetic is to decluttering your wardrobe. So decluttering the wardrobe is really essential. Identifying which pieces that you use, which pieces do you love the most, and identifying what you haven't worn for the longest time is really important. So start cleaning your wardrobe, make a pile of clothes which you do not need or which doesn't suit your day-to-day life, which doesn't suit your body type, or maybe you're not into that style anymore, and just discard them. So this will give you a clearer canvas to work on your style and aesthetics. While decluttering, I really want you to guys just go through the clothes that fits you really well and which you think that you look fabulous in, and I want you guys to keep those items or pieces in you. Rest of them are gonna go out of the wardrobe. So since you know what are the things that you like, what are the things that that fits your body really well, and what are the kind of products that are available in your vanity, so let's start finding our style and aesthetic. So first and foremost, everyone need to have basics, right? I want you guys to shop for basics. If you do not have, I am 100% sure there will be a lot of basic clothes that will be lying around in your wardrobe. For example, black t-shirt, white t-shirt, solid color t-shirts, tops, which you can pair with a lot of things. Third layers are a very essential thing in finding out a great outfit and making a great outfit. When it comes to footwear, a black heels and maybe a sneakers, a white sneakers, these are some staple items that you need to have. So find out if you don't have them, start shopping for them. Always invest in a very good basics. We have decluttered the wardrobe, we have find out the basics and the pieces that fits us really well that are present in the wardrobe. So the third and the very important thing is finding out the kind of outfit, a built outfit that looks really good on you. Go on to Pinterest and start finding out the kind of outfits that you're looking for. Start putting them into a same board and start making a Pinterest board of the kind of outfits that you like to wear and which is appropriate for the kind of setup that you have on a daily basis. So as I've already told, understanding your body type is really important. So start finding for a public figure or somebody who looks like you, the body type which looks like you. If you have a pure shape body type, you will have some celebrity who have pure shape. If you have an hourglass shape, well and good, you will have a lot of celebrities. So start finding out people who have like similar face features for the reference for the jewelries, the kind of pieces that they wear, and for the people who have same body types, the kind of outfits that they build. So this is a secret tip that they are being dressed up by stylists. So copying that or understanding that will give you a symmetrical way of putting your outfit. So the fourth and the very important thing is finding out your signature makeup look, understanding your face shape and what are the things that you have to highlight. So for example, I have a pretty good eyes, but I lack in the eyebrow. I don't have a really good eyebrow, so I have to learn drawing the eyebrow. I have to learn filling the eyebrows. So I have to look what all can I do to make my eyebrows look a little bit bigger and a little bit thicker. So when it comes to eyes, I have a kind of hooded eyes, but I do not have a very proper hooded eyes. So I make sure I choose eye makeup which looks really good with that. So understanding your signature makeup look is very important, and as I've already told you, signature makeup look should take max to max 10 minutes, which you can put on a regular basis as well. So understanding your signature makeup look is important. If you don't know how to find out your signature makeup look, I have mine. I will link it down in the description box below. Might as well help you guys. So yeah, so the next thing is find yourself a haircut that suits your face, and suits your day-to-day kind of a work. So for example, I have a curtain bangs in the front, not very short, not very long, a good length of curtain bangs, because some days I like putting it forward. And for the down, I don't have any other haircut than a deep U, because I have experimented with a couple of haircuts and I didn't like it as much as I do like the U cut, because I braid my hairs on a regular basis. I put it onto like a ponytail, and mostly it's very rare that I leave my hairs completely open. So this is the kind of thing that I like. Face framing layers looks really good in me, so I just went with like a little bit of curtain bangs. So if you like bangs, if that suits your face, if you have like a very broad forehead, go for a bangs. And if you have if you really don't have time to like get ready, make your hairs, go for a bob cut or somewhere a length of this choice. Consult your hairstylist, consult your hairdressers, go to the salon, take their consultation. If you're looking for hair color, take the consultation of them. What suits your face, what suits your skin tone, what suits your face type. So this is very important to get a really good hair. So the next and the very important thing is to find out your aesthetic. So what are the kinds of looks that you like to put on and that you can carry very effortlessly? For example, I can go with a clean girl look. I can look very polished, very sophisticated, whereas I can also look bohemian the way I look today. And some days I can look very very put together, some days I can look very effortless. So it depends on an individual. Try to find out 2 or 3 kinds of aesthetics and work on them. For example, choosing a clean girl outfit, clean hairs, and a very clean makeup look. And some days I like to wear kurtas and I go with a little bit of kajal. So there is a lot of trends going on. There's like old money look, there's like strawberry girl look, there's like this clean girl aesthetics, there's bohemian aesthetic, there's a royal Victorian aesthetic. So depending upon your needs, depending upon your day-to-day life, go through the trends and see what works good to you. So the next and the very important thing is find out some good heatless hairstyles that you can put in on an everyday basis in just like a little minutes. Every hairstyle shouldn't take more than 5 to 10 minutes. That is a rule, because if it takes more than that, I don't think you can get ready with the same kind of an aesthetics on a daily basis. So it's very important for you to find out like heatless hairstyles, and I will probably link down mine in the description box below. I hope by the time this video comes on live, I'll have that video as well. So find out some heatless hairstyles that you can put together on a quick basis and make them your staple. Learn how to blow dry your hairs, learn how to style your hairs. This is a very important role. So every time you take a head shower, maybe once in a week, you just set your hairs so that it lasts you for like an entire week. So this step is really important. If you don't know, you cannot go and spend money on salon on a regular basis since you're a college student, I hope, or a working professional. You can invest on Dyson. If you have a lot of money, you can put it onto Dyson, because that makes job really quick. And if you don't, then if you are on a budget, I have some recommendation. You can go with like a blow dry brush that will keep your hairs really good looking. I use the Urbanio blow dry brush. This is not sponsored. I totally love it. I'm gonna make an entire video about the review of it. it just protects my hair from heat damage as well. So find out some good products that doesn't damage your hairs as well. So this is again a very important tip to understand. So the next and a very important thing is color analysis. Understanding what color suits you really well is very important. So this can either make or break your entire look. Go for Pinterest, start looking for the color combinations which is like very popular or which can never go wrong. For example, the monochromatic look, maybe a red and black look, or anything that you style, maybe a denim and a blue denim, or maybe a white linen shirt is like a classic combinations. Understand all of those things. See what colors looks good. So there is an example, you can see your wrist, and if you have a green veins, then you are more towards like the darker warmer undertone, and if you have a purplish kind of a veins, then you're more towards cool. I am lucky, I have both of them, so I fall under neutral undertone. Most of the colors look good on me. So understanding colors, understanding the color wheel is really important when you put an outfit together. Or even for that matter, maybe a lipstick or makeup, or putting all of these things together requires a lot of color analysis. Start learning color analysis. Start learning to style your outfit. There is a difference between wearing and styling your outfit. Just putting up a cloth is good for an extent, but if you want to look presentable, if you want to get noticed, then styling your outfit is very important. For example, putting on a watch, or maybe staking up your watch with some bracelets, and putting out a really good outfit, and make sure you tuck your shorts in, adding a little belt, or adding a statement footwear. Everything matters. So learn how to style. There is a lot of people on the internet teaching you how to style. There is this girl called the Lifestyle Cog, if I don't spell it wrong. I watch her videos. She styles really well, and there are other influencers as well who teaches you everything about styling. Just making that little effort will bring out the best in you. Invest on a really good quality pieces when it comes to basics, accessories, and things that you wear on a regular basis. I want you guys to put in a little bit extra onto all of those things and make sure your basics are invested right. For example, the bag you carry on a daily basis, the shoes that you wear on a regular basis. So you also get a lot of affordable brands which gives you a really good quality, like Zudio. I just bought a shoe from a Zudio which is like really good, and which will probably last me for a really long time. So investing on basics is really important. Investing on yourself is really important. Investing on a really good products of makeup is really important, which you wear on a regular basis. Investing on the skincare is also really important. Nothing much, you have to invest on a very basic pieces that you're gonna last really long time. For example, silver earrings, a golden hoop, some watch stakables, a really good quality of watch. These comes a long. I really hope this video was very helpful for you guys. So when it comes to finding out your style and aesthetics, you need a lot of research. It doesn't come on a quick basis. I took a long time. I really hope you guys find your style and aesthetics and look really presentable. And until next time, stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye. Love you guys. So until next time, I want you guys to before I end this video, I want you guys to go and check out another video of mine which I've put together, where I've talked about how to look presentable on a regular basis. So that is the part 1 and this is the part 2. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. So until next time, stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye. Love you guys. Keep learning.